G'day folks. Okay, you've just been out camping and one of your gas cylinders has run out, so you've swapped over to your other one, and the tap there is pointing to that one, so you're running on a nice fresh bottle, and this one's just been replaced. It was empty, and to do that you would have had to have undone this, and when you undo that, this hose here is going to get air in it. And when you swap over later on to bring on this bottle, you don't want that slug of air going down and then into your van, because that can cause problems with your fridge or your hot water service and so on. So the quick and easiest way to purge that air out is to just leave that the blue switch lined up to that one. No need to touch that. So just turn your bottle on and then turn it off again, and that's effectively increased the pressure of gas in here. This is now got gas in it under pressure. Just loosen this off, you'll hear it puff. Alright, now tighten it back up, open it up again to repressurise the hose, close the valve again, loosen that, little puff. Do that 3 times. Open up, close, puff, gas comes out. What that has done, it has purged this line ready for use for next time. So just make sure that's turned off, and if you've finished camping, don't forget to turn them both off. And hope you got something out of that. There is another way that you can do it using the other bottle, purge it through, but I think this is the safest. Anyway, cheerio. Yeah, I forgot to mention, just as a safety precaution, just make sure that you've got no naked flames or any other source of ignition while you're purging the gas. And if you're doing it at a campground, just warn people that you're going to do it, because they might smell gas and start to panic.